Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the environment so you know what you're about to change. Run Python version in a cell and note the output. Once done, pick the exact Python release you want, for example 3.8 versus 3.9, because package compatibility depends on it. Make sure to save notebooks and mount Google Drive if you need persistent files. Runtime restarts will wipe in-memory state. Now you're ready to install the chosen Python interpreter and adjust system paths. Next, install the concrete interpreter and link it into the session. Use apt-get to install the desired Python 3.x packages and required libs. After installation, update alternatives or symlink/usr/bin/python3 to point to the new binary so pip and scripts use it. Then reinstall pip via ensure-pip or get-pip. Py under that interpreter and pip install any libraries you need. Otherwise, notebooks will fail to import modules. This makes sure the runtime actually executes your code with the new Python. Finally, restart the Colab runtime so the system paths refresh and the new interpreter takes effect. After the restart, immediately run Python version and pip list to confirm the correct Python and packages are active. If imports break or versions mismatch, you often need to reinstall specific wheels or rebuild extensions for the new ABI. Try pip install force reinstall or recreate symlinks you changed. If problems persist, revert the Python 3 symlink to the original binary and repeat the safe install steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.